Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the rear brake discs and brake pads on Mercedes B-Class W245. First we'll start by removing the two bolts that hold the brake caliper. Next we'll get a screwdriver and we'll try to push the brake cylinder a little bit in so that the brake caliper comes out easy. Next we'll remove the screw that holds the brake disc. Next we'll remove the two bolts that hold the brake caliper support and remove the brake caliper support. Next we have to take the brake disc out. We can hit it with a hammer a few times so that we release it. If it doesn't want to come out still, we have to release the parking brake from one of the holes, and then it will come. We'll see in the hole where the parking brake adjuster is. We need to turn it to one side and it will release the parking brake. If the video is useful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We'll keep turning the adjuster until the brake shoes move in a little bit so that it can release the brake disc. Once we released the parking brake enough, we can take out the brake disc. Next we'll use a wire brush to clean the rust a little bit from the wheel. And now we can put on the new brake. Once we put on the new brake disc, we need to tighten the parking brake from the adjuster with a screwdriver. So make sure you turn it the opposite way, the exact number of times as it was before that. Once we tighten the parking brake, we can assemble everything back together. First we put on the brake caliper support. Next we put on the brake pads, and afterwards we'll use a brake caliper compression tool to push in the brake cylinder on the brake caliper. And now we can put back the brake caliper and tighten. Once everything is assembled, don't forget to push the brake pedal a couple of times so that the brake cylinders go back in the normal position, and then you can drive on. Thank you.